Today, we're taking a look at the Boogey Lights Heavy Duty Series Wireless RGB LED Controller with an M7 remote. The product SKU is PGU-RC-MC-HD-M7. Now this is the largest wireless LED controller in our series, and it's ideal for powering a large number of LEDs. It is a multicolor LED controller designed to be used with Boogey Lights RGB LED light strips. It can also be used with single color LEDs if so desired. This controller is rated for a maximum capacity of 1800 50/50 common cathode LEDs. And with that many LEDs, this controller will draw about 20 amps on full power. It's powered by 12 volt DC, although we do offer an optional 110 volt AC to 12 volt DC converted if desired. The controller itself measures 5.5 inches in length by 3.25 inches in width by 1.5 inches thick. While designed to be used in motorsports applications, the controller is water resistant, but it's not waterproof. The controller includes this M7 style RF handheld remote that has an operating range of anywhere from 10 to 50 feet, depending upon the operating environment. We offer an optional long-range RF M7 remote that will provide additional distance if needed. This controller allows you to select up to 7 colors using the remote. It also has additional features that include on-off, dimming, strobing, breathing, and flashing functions. There is an optional Bluetooth upgrade that allows you to operate this controller with your smartphone. One M7 RF remote is included, however up to 3 M7 remotes may be paired with one controller. The remote uses one 3-volt CR2025 alkaline battery, which is included. This controller has built-in protection against short circuit or reverse polarity. We offer a 3-year original owner warranty on this controller. And one important note, this controller will only work with common cathode LED strips. And there you have it for our Heavy Duty Series Wireless RGB LED controller with an M7 remote. Thanks for watching.